Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Jen Anthony for CPI. Today's tip, RSVP to your dealership's technology clinic. Connected navigation, Bluetooth phone, and streaming audio. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are just a few examples of tech features now commonly found in new vehicles. It's no surprise some customers are having trouble figuring it all out, and it's not just the grannies that are struggling. A recent study found that out of 8,500 car owners, 25% don't know how to use their vehicle's tech features. Of those surveyed, 11% weren't even aware their car was equipped with some of these tech options. The most alarming statistic is that 68% of car buyers weren't shown how to use their car's technology. It's a coachable problem, though, and one that can lead to increased brand loyalty and an opportunity for you. It's possible with a technology clinic in your dealership. Why a technology clinic? You might as well throw away the owner's manual because no one reads it anyway. If tech isn't intuitive, it isn't learned and isn't used. Provide your clientele the opportunity to learn how to use their car's features in a hands-on environment. Here's how it's done well. Set aside an evening in your store and advertise it to your sales and service customers. Focus on those who bought their car in the past 12 months. Staff it with service and sales employees and managers who are up to date on training, and pay them for it. Have your customers bring their vehicles into the shop or service drive if the weather isn't cooperating. Staff members can walk them through features and program functions with the customer that aren't being used. Set up tech stations and mini seminars. Explain the benefits of each feature and what it can do for the customer. And also, encourage attendance with door prizes and coffee and snacks. There's no shame in attendance. Rather, it's a benefit to both the customer and the dealership. And that's the tip of the day. A technology clinic tells your customers that they aren't the only ones still figuring out how to use their car. CPI has developed these clinics and can help you get started. Thanks for watching.